All right, time for a quick sweet endings. Thanks to the folks at Regal Products for making this one possible. And I'm going to be whipping up some kind of real simple but very satisfying cookies using Regal Instant Oats. You can use oats to do so many things, and it can replace, or add to some sort of batter you're doing, and it's so healthy, it's so wonderful. And I'm going to be making some cookies using these oats and adding some chocolate chips. So it's a chewy oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. Simple like that. Let's start with some flour. We have a cup of flour. Basically what this is adding all your dry ingredients together. I have some baking soda, salt, cinnamon to add to the flour. And now it's my favorite part. I want to cream some butter at room temperature and some sugar. So I have a half cup of brown sugar and a third cup of white sugar. Just a little vanilla essence in there. And you get one of these mixers and you kind of just bring everything together. The bakers in the house will know this is really creaming the butter and the sugar. This goes on for a while. Cream. Once it's creamed, you add 1 egg. And now it's time to add your dry ingredients to your wet. Adding just some chocolate chips. And I just want to fold that in. So good, smells so good. And my star ingredient, my Regal Oats. I want about a cup and a half. And fold in all that oats. Trust me, it adds that little nice extra chewiness, that little texture. Makes all the difference in these cookies. Once you have the batter like this now, guys, very important that you place this in the refrigerator for just about a half hour, so 30 minutes or so, just for it to get nice and chilled. And once it's chilled, you're able to now roll it out and make some beautiful cookies. Guys, my Regal Chewy Oatmeal Chocolate Chip Cookies. This is especially for the stringmen. Guys, these are oatmeal chewy chocolate chip cookies. It's my sweet ending. Please just enjoy, taste, please, okay. please. I can't let you leave without a little sweet.
I just got water for you.
Place your order. Place your order.
It's like mommy used to make.
Just hey. Yeah. And you can get the recipe on CopperJoeCaribbean.com, guys. Thank you very much. I want to thank Dean and Rodney for passing by and sharing your music with us, first of all, and such wonderful stories.
Thank you, Papa.
Let's hope the discussion falls on the right ears. Yeah? Let's hope it falls on the right ears. We'll see you back here next week, guys.